Hello and welcome back. So I usually use my phone's inbuilt microphone when I record video, and that results in a lot of background noise. And the lighting situation isn't very good either. I rely on ambient sources of light, and when I go to film overhead shots, it looks a bit like this. So today I have with me a few products that I think may help solve some of these issues. Let's unbox them. So let's take a look at all of the products. This is a ring light. This is a wireless microphone. This is a very tall tripod, and this is a nice backdrop. This is the ring light. It's quite generic. I got it from a place called SP Road for 300 rupees. I paid 600 for the bundle, which included this along with the tripod that you saw earlier. So this has multiple modes which you can put it in, and that will give us a layer of customizability, I think. So let's take this out of the box and look at the things that we get with it. So we have a few accessories here, we'll get to that in a bit, and we have the ring light itself, and it looks like this is powered by USB. Here is its control panel thing, and let's get it set up. So these are the contents of the box. Here we have the ring light, and we have the phone holder along with an adapter, so you can attach this there. I'll just show you how to do it in a second. We'll unscrew that, pop that in, screw that back in place, and then we'll put this here, like that. There we go. And this attaches to the bottom of the ring light like this. And there we have it. Alright, so this is the tripod box. It isn't packaged very nicely and is just kind of generic, but let's open it up. At least it comes with a plastic bag. They say this goes up to 7 feet in length, so it's quite a tall boy. And at the top you can see we have this screw connector, so it will connect any camera or the mobile phone adapters. Alright, so this door is approximately 7 feet tall, and I figured out how to open this up. So we just have to loosen this a bit and then unlock all 3 of these pods. And this here, and yeah, it is more than 7 feet tall. However, it is resembling the Leaning Tower of Pisa a bit, and that might be a little worrying. Okay, so we can use this power adapter to directly supply power to the light, and we can turn it on by pressing this button. And that is a bit bright, yeah. Move that up, and we can increase or decrease the brightness using these buttons here. And we can also switch the mode to make it cool or warm or in between. So this, it's quite nice. So this is the K9 wireless microphone, and everything else is written in Chinese, but what I can tell you is that it comes with 2 microphones, a receiver and a lightning adapter. On the back, these are the features, and let's just open it up. So inside the box we have the lightning adapter, we have the 2 microphones, and we have a USB Type-C receiver. Also inside the box there is the instruction manual and a cable box, which I think will have a USB Type-C cable inside. And it does. Since this comes with 2 microphones, you can use this for things like interviews or filming with another person and just give them the second microphone. Okay, so this is how you set it up. So let's just open up the camera app, and we take the Type-C adapter and put it into your Type-C port of the phone, and you take one of the mics and turn and press the power button on the back for a few seconds until the light starts blinking. And when it's paired, it's going to be a solid green. And lastly, this is the Lanespelare gaming desk mat from IKEA. It has a dimension of 90 by 40 centimeters, so it fits my desk, not this one, obviously, the one back at home, pretty well. So let's open it up. Okay, so now that we have it open, we can take it out of the packet. We have it open now, so we can take it out. It's a bit big and heavy, and we took it out the wrong way. Sorry LTT, but this one is quite a nice design, and that is how it looks. It's quite nice. Material is quite nice. Alright, so we now have the lighting setup, but what about the microphone? I want to test out the microphone too. So we have this adapter, and I'm going to attach this to the camera really quick over here. And now it should be using the microphone's built-in audio. Let me know how this sounds. So we have to attach this to our t-shirt. So that's over here. And this is how the microphone sounds. I think a lot of the background noise has been blocked. And this is an overall slightly better filming setup than what it was at the beginning of the video. So thanks for watching, and goodbye.